Hey guys, I just got my package from Flatout Suspension that I've been waiting for a while. Super excited to try this out. I ordered the GR40s for my 2012 WRX here. Figured I'd do a quick unboxing video to get my reaction and to show you what's actually in this package. So without further ado, let's open up and see what we got. So currently on my car I have lifted king springs and fuel damper inserts, but those fuel damper inserts they've been on the car for about 5 years now, and I've just been looking to upgrade because I want to do a lot more rallycross with this, and the fuel inserts they keep blowing, so I have to keep getting rebuilt, and I figured might as well try out this new suspension. I just rebuilt my motor as well, so definitely hoping to do a lot more rallycross this year. Alright, what do we got? Alrighty here. Exciting stuff. Make sure I can show you guys here. First package. I'll just set this to the side quick. Alright, looks like we got a blue folder here. It's got some stickers, keychains, personal notes, and how to set it up, which is pretty cool. Nice. Keychain thing, stickers. What else we got here? When it was made. Certificate proof provides a warranty coverage. Sweet. Awesome, that's pretty nice. Cool. Alright. The next one here. Move this big one out of the way. That box. So, let's see what we got in this box here. So it was either the GR lights, which I originally purchased. Then I had second thoughts. I'm like, well, I want something that's going to last and can do the durability of multiple rallycrosses, so I decided to upgrade to the GR40s. I should turn around so you can actually see. You'll see before me. Alright. Ooh. Look at that. Packing peanuts. Oh, looks like these are the rears. Ooh. They are beefy. They look so nice. Alright, let's get this package opened here. Excited. Alright. Ooh. So this is the rear suspension. It has the external reservoir tank for that. It's got the adjustability damper settings up here. I think it's, don't quote me, 20 settings that you can adjust, so I'll be definitely messing around with that. Quality seems very good. Nice welding, nice finish. Very nice. Definitely can't wait to put these on and see what I can do with that. So obviously there's two of them in this box. Put this one down here. And I'm assuming that these are the fronts. So open this up. Turn it around. Oh, nice. Oh, okay, I see. So it's the front and back for each one. Because there's a, it's like, what the? They sent me two rears. No, the other side has the fronts. Durr. Okay, well, I guess I could have just had that one, but now I open up both packages. Alright. open up this bag here. Alright. There you go. So it's the inverted shock design. It's definitely got some beef to it. Got reinforcements on here on the tabs, nice welding, single body design for the bottom part of the suspension. Very nice. I am definitely excited to try these out. So there you go. That was the unboxing of the suspension. And this is the front, and this is the rear. So again, can't wait to try it on and see how it performs.